Welcome back everyone. If you're on Christmas dessert this year, then this is the recipe for you. I've got a no-bake gingerbread cheesecake for you, and all of the elements are done in the Vibe blender, making it simple, quick, and easy. For the cream cheese filling today, I've got some homemade dripped yogurt here. I've got 500 grams of that. We've got a video for how to make that right here, so make sure you check that out if you're interested in using that for this recipe. Otherwise, the dripped yogurt can be substituted for a store-bought cream cheese, no problem. The first thing I'm going to do is get the base done. I've got 250 grams of ginger nut biscuits and I've got 115 grams of melted butter. Snap the biscuits in half and add a third to the blender jug. Secure the lid and then pulse several times until it makes a fine crumb. Pour the crumbs into a bowl and then repeat the process with the remaining biscuits. Pour the melted butter over the crumb and mix well. It should resemble wet sand. Tip the crumb mixture into a greased 9-inch or 22-centimeter cake tin. Spring form is best. And then use your fingers, the back of a spoon, or even a measuring cup to press firmly into the base and halfway up the sides. Place this in the fridge or freezer to set. To make the filling, simply wipe out the blender jug with a clean, dry kitchen towel, no need to wash it out, and then pour in 300 ml of thick cream. Turn the speed down to its lowest setting and blend on smoothie mode. Depending on the fat content of the cream, this should take between 20 and 40 seconds. Just be careful not to over whip. Pour the cream into a large bowl and set aside. Now you can add your dripped yogurt or cream cheese into the blender jug along with 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 1/4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of powdered ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Insert the tamp into the lid and blend on smoothie mode at medium speed until smooth and fully incorporated. Pour this mixture into the bowl of cream and fold gently with a spatula to combine. I've got my spiced dripped yogurt filling here ready to go, and this base has firmed up nicely, so this can go straight over the base and then back into the fridge to set. Pour the filling over the biscuit base and smooth out the top. Tap the tin a few times on the bench to remove pockets of air. Then place it in the fridge to set for at least 6 hours or overnight. When your cheesecake is set, bring it out of the fridge and place it onto a serving dish. You could leave it as is, or you could decorate it with some more crushed up biscuits, some whipped cream, or even some fresh berries. So there you have it, a really simple and tasty cheesecake that's perfectly festive for this Christmas season. We hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you'd like to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. And if you liked this one today, then hit the like button for us, and we'll be back really soon with another video.